inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're not going to be working on any of these three Mustangs. I know they're Fords, but they actually don't need any work today. Instead, we're going to be replacing the bumper on a Mark IV GTI. We got a new one because this one had some damage to it on the car, and we took some vinyl and made like a camouflage German design on it for H2O. So here's the bumper we're going to be installing. To remove this bumper, we're going to get started by removing the taillights and our license plate so we can swap that over. There's a couple push pins and bolts under the taillights, and then we have 2 bolts underneath the bumper, and we should be able to pull the bumper off. So to remove the taillights, you want to take this cover off, and then there's a couple bolts holding them in. They're nuts. There's one. I think there's a total of 4. We'll have to unplug it. What did you find? Looks like it goes to the factory amp. Okay, so we got the taillight out. There's a Torx bolt here. There's usually a push pin there, but ours is missing. There's a couple Torx bolts in the fender liner, and then when you're taking the taillight out, there's 3 bolts, and there's a push pin right on the corner here. You just want to be careful when you take that out because the taillights crack on that corner a lot of times.
The wheels get done, and oh, somebody has the fucking lugs on backwards.
Brandy's trimming up the vinyl right now.
Look at it.
So we can pop in these rub strips. Got the bumper off the car. As you can see there, we got the license plate light harness. And we're swapping the lips out because the lip on the bumper that was on the car is in a little bit better shape than the extra bumper that we got.
Everything else is fine.
I got your nose.
You gotta get my eyeball. This one.
Come here, Pepper. Come here, Pepper. Come here. Come here. How's it going, Brandy?
If anybody does this, they're retarded.
It's really not that bad.
We're not doing it.
Everyone's just complaining. I am doing it. I did like most of this, so don't let her freaking fool you.
This isn't even starting. It won't start.
It'll start.
Do it.
Okay, I will.
Stupid red. That was supposed to rip nicely and look cool.
Alright, to hell with this bumper. I'm gonna end up melting the damn GoPro. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up the bumper video. As you can see, the bumper's all done. I did not get time to record this outro last night, so it is the next day. I also have some information for you guys that are still watching till the end of the video. I am last minute trying to get some shirts and hoodies done for H2O, so if that's something you guys want, let me know. I'll try and get one more video up before H2O and post up the hoodies, and I'm also getting some vinyls made for the side of the car. Spencer over at Vinyl Creations is doing the side decals, and we sat down, designed them up. They're going to look really cool. It's basically going to have the YouTube name on the car, but it's also going to be like a stripe. And then Blaine from Freedom Design HD out in Lebanon, he is trying to get some shirts and hoodies done for me last minute, because I always wait till the last minute for everything. I should have had this stuff done like weeks before H2O, since, well, it's Sunday, so we're leaving for H2O in 4 days. So anyway, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. About 1% of my viewers are subscribed to the channel, so that means 1 out of every 100 views somebody actually subscribes. And I usually get a lot of thumbs up versus thumbs down, but the amount of views compared to likes, I only get it. If I have 20,000 views on a video, I probably have like 50 likes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a fat like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yes, all you have to do is log into your YouTube or Gmail account, and then you can subscribe, and you'll get notifications whenever I make cool videos like this. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for leaving that like.